Hi everyone, welcome to this new lecture of hydraulic machines. In this lecture, we'll discuss about the basic information regarding the hydraulic machines. So first of all, see what is the definition of hydraulic machine and what are the examples or what are the applications of hydraulic machines in this lecture. So hydraulic machine is a device which converts the hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. And this concept or this device is called turbine. The device which converts hydraulic energy to mechanical energy, that is called turbine. So this is also a device, or you can say a part of hydraulic machine. And also the hydraulic machine also converts mechanical energy into hydraulic energy, and that is called pump. Okay, by using the motion and pressure of the fluid. Motion in the sense the velocity of the fluid and the pressure of the fluid. Fluid is nothing but we can consider water or any kind of oil, any kind of liquid items can be considered here. Okay, and this hydraulic machine actually this operate based on the principle of fluid mechanics, okay, and hydraulics. And this hydraulic machine also works on this Pascal's law. So Pascal's law we have already discussed in our fluid mechanics chapter. So Pascal's law states that the pressure which is applied in a object or in a body, that will be transmitted equally and undiminished in all directions. That means the pressure which we are applying on a one place, so that will be in a control volume, actually in a compact body you can say, so that will be equally distributed in all directions. So that is Pascal's law. So, and this hydraulic machine also is very essential, you can say this hydraulic machine is very essential for heavy machinery items. So the heavy machinery items, for what purpose? For lifting or for pressing or for excavating. Okay, where we can give a small amount of force, okay, and that can be generate a much more force at the output. Okay, that means if you give some less force to generate something, that will be generate larger output as a force. So some examples are there in this hydraulic in this hydraulic machine, like hydraulic press is there, jack is there, and the systems in the construction equipment. So many more examples are there in this hydraulic machine. So few examples was taken here, like hydraulic press you can see. So this is the hydraulic press which is given here. So this hydraulic press will be worked for many purposes. Okay, and similarly hydraulic jack, this is hydraulic jack is there. So this is the handle. By this by pressing this one, this is the piston portion is there, it is going to lift if you press here. Similarly, in this hydraulic press, we can keep any kind of objects or items here, so that can be pressed here. We can do rolling and some other applications also can be done, that we'll discuss in the next. Similarly, some construction equipments like hydraulic excavators. So hydraulic excavators, bulldozers and forklifts, cranes, and many more items are there actually. So some examples I've taken here, like this is the hydraulic excavators, and by these we can do many applications. So here also you can see that hydraulic, here hydraulic part is there and here hydraulic part is there. Okay, these are the hydraulic part. Okay, so the application of hydraulic machines in many areas it is available. Okay, similarly in the cranes also you can see many of the applications in the hydraulic machines. In the bulldozer also we have different application of the hydraulic machines. Similarly, the forklift also will have the hydraulic machines applications. So this is the basic information regarding the hydraulic machine. Now we'll see the different types of hydraulic machines. So the different types of hydraulic machines also is categorized based on the energy conversion, and also based on the types or application you can say. So first one is the hydraulic machines is classified based on the direction of energy conversion, based on the direction of energy. So based on the direction of energy, first one is hydraulic turbine. So first one is here hydraulic turbine. So the hydraulic turbine is already we have discussed about the turbine, so which converts the hydraulic energy, okay, So the hydraulic turbine is nothing but the machine or the device which converts the hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. So how it will be converted? So in the hydraulic energy, in the sense, the energy which is present in the fluid. So in terms of like pressure energy, kinetic energy, and potential energy. So that is going to be converted into mechanical energy, you can see. And finally, this energy will be converted to electrical energy. That means this can be used to generate power. So final output can be converted into electrical energy. Okay. So what are the different type of turbines are there? These are the examples of hydraulic turbines like Pelton wheel and Francis turbine and Kaplan turbine, and many other turbines also available, which is the example of hydraulic turbines. Similarly, the next one is hydraulic pumps. So in the hydraulic pumps, actually, like we have discussed in the previous slide, that pump is nothing but this is the device, or this is the mechanical device, you can say, that convert the mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. Okay, and by creating fluid pressure and fluid flow and pressure, so that will create a high pressure. The pump will be created a high pressure in the fluid, so that it can be transmitted, or it can be flows from one place to other place, like from lower height to upper height, or lower head to upper head. And some other like some examples of these pumps are like and see, they are essential for powering other hydraulic components also. So these are also, these pumps will be helpful for other components, other hydraulic components. So the examples are taken here, like centrifugal pump and reciprocating pump. Though there are different type of pumps are there, but in the hydraulic pumps we have considered only two types of pumps. That is, one is centrifugal, another one is reciprocating pump. So the example what I have told you, like Pelton wheel, Francis turbine, and Kaplan turbine, the examples you can see here. So this is the diagram of Pelton turbine. We'll discuss in more details in the upcoming videos. Like there we'll discuss about the working of Pelton wheel or Pelton turbine, and this is the Kaplan turbine is there, and this is the view of a Francis turbine. You can see this is the view of a Francis turbine, and this is centrifugal pump. You can see this is the entry side. Okay, this is the suction side, and another one is there delivery side will be there. Okay, this one. And similarly, this is the reciprocating pump. So in the reciprocating pump also, similarly, this is the suction pipe, and this will be the delivery pipe. Okay, so these are some examples, or you can say the classification of hydraulic machines based on the direction of energy conversion. Okay, similarly, another one is there based on the function and application. As I told you, based on the function and application, the hydraulic machine also categorized in different types. Like first one, what I have taken, hydraulic actuators. So hydraulic actuator also similar kind of things, like it is the device that convert hydraulic energy, okay, into mechanical energy. That what we have seen previously. It is also similar kind of thing, which convert hydraulic energy into mechanical energy to perform the work. So hydraulic energy is nothing but the fluid pressure which is present there, that will be converted into motion. Okay, so you can see here the hydraulic energy. See here, the hydraulic energy converted to mechanical energy. So similar type of, like what is the work of a turbine? Same thing, the hydraulic actuator also a device which converts hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. Okay. The next one is hydraulic cylinders. Okay, in the hydraulic cylinders, by using the pressure of the fluid, okay, by using the pressure of the fluid. In the fluid, we know that mostly we have the important parameters like pressure is there and velocity of the fluid is there. So by using this pressure and by using this velocity, we can apply this fluid in many areas, we can say. So in the hydraulic cylinders, by using the pressure of the fluid to move a piston, okay, so the piston will be moved by using this pressure of the fluid, and by that the linear motion will be created. By that the linear motion will be created. And what is the example for this? The lifts and presses. Lifts and presses is the example for the linear motion. Similarly, the next one is hydraulic motors. So here also, by using this pressure of the fluid, okay, to rotate the shaft, to create rotary motions, like rotation. Okay, that will be helpful. This hydraulic motors will be helpful to move in a rotation. So that can be used or that can be applied in for heavy equipments. Okay, we can see many of the, like what are the examples I've given you in the first slide. You can see like here excavators are there, cranes are there, bulldozers are there, forklifts. So these are the many applications are there. Here you can see the excavators can be like rotated. This one we can see, this is the main hydraulic part is there, where it can be, this total body can be rotated 360-degree. Okay, so that is one of the example I'm saying you. Similarly, hydraulic press. So hydraulic press already you have seen previously, that diagram what I have shown you. You can see here, this is the hydraulic press. So in the hydraulic press also, what are the applications can be taken? That by using this hydraulic cylinders, that will apply to immense force for operation like molding, punching and crushing the materials. So these are the applications of hydraulic presses, and these hydraulic presses is related to this hydraulic cylinders. By using these hydraulic cylinders, okay, that hydraulic cylinders to apply immense force, that means the force will be applied on that to do some operations like moldings, punchings and crushing the materials. So different applications are there. Similarly, hydraulic brakes. So in the hydraulic system, okay, to multiply the force applied to the brake pedal. So we know that when you apply the brake on a lorry or on a bike or any kind of buses, bike means it's okay that we have the like a front back and rear back both are there. But if like heavy vehicles are there, you can see only one braking system is there, that near to the pedal. And if you apply the brake on the pedal, so that force or the pressure which we're applying on the pedal, that will be equally distributed in all the braking sides, all the tires, you can say. So that is due to the Pascal's law. So to multiply the force applied brake pedal and to press brake pedals against the wheels, so that will apply on the brakes on the pedals, and that will be finally give you to slow down the vehicles. So this is the output. This is the output from this hydraulic brakes. Okay, if you apply the brake, okay, on the pedal, then finally your vehicle is going to be slowed down. So in that like we need to consider that Pascal's law concept. We need to consider that when you apply a pressure on a brake on a pedal, so equal pressure will be distributed in all directions of that how many wheels are there, that pressure will be distributed to all the wheels equally, so that it will be stopped. And next is hydraulic lifts. So hydraulic lifts, we have seen that. So this here also that fluid pressure will be used to raise or lower the heavy loads, to lift and to make it down. So that will be used for the lifts. Similarly, next is the valves. So valves we have seen in many places. So the valves of any kind of hydraulic machines that can be used to control the directions or to control the pressure or to control the flow rate of a hydraulic fluid. We know that many applications are there in these valves. A normal pipe is there, means in our home we know that number of pipes are there, and that near to the basins we have a valve. In the bathroom also, near to the wash we can say that valves are attached near to this bathroom sets, you can say. So many applications are there in these valves, and mostly industry cases, if you see, okay, they used to use these valves to control the fluid flow rate, okay, to test or to control the pressures, you can say. So that's why to control the directions, if you want to change the direction of the fluid, that can be changed by the help of this valve. If you want to change the pressure of the fluid, that can be also adjusted, that can be also minimized, or it can be increased with the help of this valve. And also we can control the flow rate of the fluid also. So this is all about the basic information regarding the hydraulic machines. I hope you understand this theory. Like, this is starting of the hydraulic machines. Up to now we have discussed about the fluid mechanics, and now this is the first one about the hydraulic machines. I hope you understand this lecture. Still, if you are having doubt regarding this, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you all.